Hey everyone, people are asking what type of equipment I use or whatever. I use this Astro Meter. This is like from Amazon. I sell these for 40 bucks, but you can get them off Amazon for like 35 or something. It's a great meter, and the beautiful thing is, if I drop it or run over it with a car, I'm not bumming that I lost messed up my fluke meter. I also have this breakout box from OTC. I got it about a month ago. I'm really liking it. It's working out pretty good. Plug that in. It makes all the testing at the DLC better. I should have noted in my videos before, using this breakout box eliminates the chance of you guys bending pins in the DLC when you're testing, but this vehicle's running, and you can see here it tells you the voltage. We got 14.5 volts. It tells you the activity, so you can see we got the CAN bus going on, and then whatever bus they're using is a proprietary network for Terminal 3. But just as I always say, I love doing the quick testing at the DLC. Put this thing to volts, and we should have this tool. I'm not sure whether it's using pin 4 or pin 5 to test the ground. I couldn't tell you, but we can test those just by laying in our meter here. Lay our leads in there. And there we go, 14.5 from pin 5 to 16, 14.49, and that's pin 4 to 16. And then between pins 4 and 5, we should always have very low voltage. And as you see here, we got 6 millivolts. So that's extremely low voltage. That's great. And if we go from a ground to pin 6, which is your CAN high, should be about 2.7, 2.8. This one's 2.8, and then I'm gonna guess this one should be about 2.2, 2.3, 2.1. But this vehicle doesn't have any problems. Everything's good. And we can also check the ohms on the CAN bus. You always turn the key off. It takes a second for the network to shut down and go to sleep, but so we can use our ohm meter. I always like to check that. Always check and verify we have low resistance there. It's good. And I'm going to go between pin 6 and 14, and we're looking for approximately 60 ohms. And we're reading about 63 ohms. So it's always good for you guys to keep on checking, get known good vehicles and know what good is. It makes it easier to find the bad stuff. Have a great day, everyone.